HP Piazza allows publishers to address some of the structural challenges they have in their cost base while simultaneously improving product availability. For retailers, it allows them to continue to access great content and at the same time support their desire to begin to start addressing their costs by having a much more agile supply chain, ordering more frequently with smaller amounts so they can improve sales performance and working capital. HP Piazza allows publishers and retailers to move from a build to inventory to a build to demand model. And that's really a significant change in the way that the whole supply chain is orchestrated and designed. HP Piazza allows publishers and retailers to provide content to consumers when they want it and how they want it.